Hello there, just want to show you on how to create a spot the difference. This is one of the activity book that you can also create and sell it on Amazon KDP. So I got the images from a Magic Media, so you can also do the same. You can just go to other platform to get those images. We're gonna add this image, so we're gonna duplicate the image, and then we're gonna work on this image. So we're gonna go to edit the image, so we need magic eraser. So let's start by removing this, and then this, okay, and then we're gonna remove this, and then also this one. So if we've removed 4 items, what else can we remove? We can remove this, and then this a leg. I'm not sure if it's going to appear or it's going to be cutted out. And then we can also remove the fire here. What else can we remove? We can remove this, and then we can also remove this. Then I think we're done. We can erase. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, and then make sure that is removed. Then here is fine. Okay, erase again. Okay, and then we're gonna go back, and then we go back to the elements, and then we're gonna need some new elements to add it on. Let's just use this one. We can just add this, can put it here in a different side. Okay, let's see all, and then let's see if we can put this. Let's see, make it small. Yeah, so we're gonna put it there, and then we're gonna need to get something, maybe this. We can add it here, add it here, and then we can also add more on the other side. And then what else can we add? Can put this, can I put this? It's look cute. Can add it here. And then we can take this one, and then we're gonna put it here. Let me just decrease the size. That's suitable. And then what else can I add it on the box? let's just take this box. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. You can add this one also here. Okay, let's just duplicate this image again. So we're gonna work on this now to put the numbers, the difference. I'm gonna show where the difference is. So we're gonna go to shapes. We need this circle, and we're gonna put it somewhere here. I'm gonna put it here. Let's just decrease the size, and then we go to the border style. So we're gonna choose this one. You can even increase the size of the border so that it can be more visible. So we're gonna need the text. So we're gonna go to text, and then we're gonna choose anyone, and then we delete. Let's just put one, and then we're gonna put it here. Okay, let's just and then we're gonna put it here, and then let's just put them together. Let's group them, and then we duplicate. I don't know, it's 10, or I think it's 10. Okay, so we're gonna put this one here, and then this one here, and then this one here, and then this one here, here, yeah, and then also this, and then here again, and then on this one there's no fire anymore here, and then here also here. So how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna, this is gonna be the first one, and then there was something here, so let me just go back and check where. Okay, it was supposed to be here. Let's put it here. Let's go to the, and then we're gonna put it here. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 13 differences. Okay, so this is how it should be like. I think I've covered all of them. So yeah, I think I've covered all of them. This is how easy it is to create the spot and the different activity book. So I hope you enjoy it, and then you have learned something. Until next time, bye bye.